Hi, this is Rick with I-80 Forklift. We're here today to introduce to you the JLG 1644. This baby right here. This is a 16,000 pound lift with 44 feet of lift height. It comes with a 134 horsepower Deutz Tier 4 final engine. Standard is a battery disconnect with a quick jumper cable for jumping the machine if ever need be. This machine is also a 4-wheel steer, 2-wheel steer, and crab steering machine. Comes with work lights. You could get carriages from 84 inches up to 84 inches. You could get pipe grapples, 4-in-1 buckets, fork positioning carriages. There's about 16 different options you could get for the front of this machine. Over here, you have your auxiliaries in order to run those attachments. Like I said, your 4-in-1 bucket or your fork positioners. It is a single joystick controlled machine. That way you can run all of those attachments from right in there on one joystick. Up here at the cab, you have some extra storage here for putting slings and straps and things of that nature. The cab unit is air conditioned and heated. Another option for this machine is blinkers. You could get blinkers, which would be controlled by over here by the blinker switch. You have a 2-speed hydrostatically driven transmission, 2 forward and 2 reverse. There's your single joystick that operates all the functions. You have a suspension seat. This is a DEF fluid machine, so your DEF tank is here. Diesel here. Hydraulic tank with an easy accessible sight gauge. If you'd like to learn more about this machine, please visit us at www.i80forklift.com or come to Vacaville on 70 Union Way and see us. Thank you.